Good morning. Welcome everybody to our Independence Day. Today it's our 73rd anniversary of independence, or the 74th Independence Day. We welcome everybody to this short yet highly dedicated celebration. Over to Fagzi.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining. We shall start today's function with a march past by our security team. The parade is commanded by our security officer, Niren. And now, inspection of the parade by the guest of the day, Mr. Robert.
Ready for your inspection, sir? Thank you.
Now, request you to stand up for the main event of the day. Hosting of our national flag by the guest, Mr. Robert. The national anthem will be sung thereafter. Request everyone to stand and sing the national anthem along with us, wherever you are.
Sir, request you to play something, sir. Thank you.
National anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Hello, Tom.
Now we'll take the pledge. India is my country, All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you. I now request Swami Sir to speak a few words on this occasion. Over to Swami Sir.
Jai Hind. Welcome everybody to this wonderful Independence Day ceremony brought to you live thanks to our brave hearts led by Robert from our security and all the security staff. Also thanks to other Sassians who have participated in this live. Also to all the organizers, I wish to thank you. On the solemn occasion of Independence Day, I think we must all continuously remind ourselves on what is beautifully put in our pledge, which is just now being read by Rekha, that we must be a country that's proud of our heritage, proud of our diversity, learn to respect people of any background, any religion, any culture, any race, without any distinction, as just citizens of India, as proud citizens of India. We must not forget the people who have fought and got us independence, which we must cherish and defend at all times. So we must remember our soldiers, we must remember our farmers who feed us, we must remember our teachers who made us, and also we must remember our parents who are responsible to give us this wonderful opportunity to experience life. With sincere thanks to every one of you on this happy occasion of the 73rd anniversary of Indian independence, celebrating our 74th Independence Day. I look forward to many, many more to come, and may the spirit of independence and always guide us and bless us. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Swami Sir. Now we shall listen to a special song by Shailendra Patel.
सकते नहीं, अपनी आजादी को हम हरगिज़ मिटा सकते नहीं। सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते नहीं, सर झुका सकते नहीं। हमने सदियों में ये आजादी की नीमत पाई है, ये नीमत पाई है। सैकड़ों कुर्बानियां देकर ये दौलत पाई है, ये दौलत पाई है। मुस्कुरा कर खाई है सीनों पे अपने गोलियां, सीनों पे अपने गोलियां। कितने वीरानों से गुजरे हैं तो जन्नत पाई है। खाक में हम अपनी इज्जत को मिला सकते नहीं, अपनी आजादी को हम हरगिज़ मिटा सकते नहीं। क्या चलेगी जुल्म की अहले वफा के सामने, जा नहीं सकता कोई शोला हवा के सामने। लाख फौजे लेके आए हमने का दुश्मन कोई, लाख फौजे लेके आए हमने का दुश्मन कोई। रुक नहीं सकता हमारी एकता के सामने, हम वो पत्थर है जिसे दुश्मन हिला सकते नहीं। अपनी आजादी को हम हरगिज़ मिटा सकते नहीं। सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते नहीं। के हम साथ चलते जाएंगे, हर कदम पर जिंदगी का रुख बदलते जाएंगे, घर वतन में भी मिलेगा कोई गद्दारे वतन, अपनी ताकत से हम उसका सर कुचलते जाएंगे, एक धोखा खा चुके हैं और खा सकते नहीं, अपनी आजादी को हर चीज में खा सकते नहीं। तूफान में बह जाएंगे जुल्मों सितम, आसमां पर ये तिरंगा उम्र भर लहराएगा, जो सबक बापू ने सिखलाया भुला सकते नहीं, सब बता सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते नहीं।
Namaskar. Happy Independence Day to all of you, and thank you for watching the pre-recorded video. Thank you. Over to Swami sir.
Shali bhai, you definitely look like our Yesudas, and you always entertain us like that. On this occasion, which has been absolutely marvelous, I wish to extend my sincere thanks to Robert, Commander Hiren, and all the security staff who took the salute for inputs provided to me to be factually correct by Suresh ji, to Sunil, to Murli, to Rajesh Papana, and all others present there from the IT team. Thank you guys for making this live. To about 60 odd people who have joined the event and witnessed it, thank you so much for showing solidarity with us. Sincere thanks are also due to Kausalya Madam and others who have supported this, Rekha for being the host of the ceremony and also reading out the pledge, which is a very important thing. And last but not the least, I wish to thank my wonderful team of Deepa, who is not here but has joined the event live, to Vishal and Ameya for organizing this and making it possible. Independence Day is all about teamwork. I think it took a lot of teamwork and brave people to give this country the richly deserved independence. Maybe cherish this movement, maybe always be grateful and remind ourselves on the words that was echoed by the beautiful voice of Shaili, that in unity lies our strength. If we are united, there is nothing in the world can stop us from being the best. We are good. We are getting to be the best. We must put our faith in ourselves, in our country first before anything else, and continue to do a wonderful job so that we leave India behind for the generations to come as the best place on earth. As it is said, Sare Jahan se acha Hindustan hamara. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Swami sir and Shaili sir. Before we close this function, but not last least, dispersal of the parade by the parade commander Niren.
एक नंबर डोर वाला इंजन कि स्लम स्टेप स्लम हमने के लाइन तक
Thanks to everyone. Be safe and be healthy. Hope to see you all back in office very soon.